Hello design enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. Ready to transform your space into a sanctuary of style. Today we are diving into a world of interior design inspiration. Whether you are craving a cozy retreat or a sleek modern heaven, I have got ideas that will ignite your creativity and elevate your home. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our design community. Now let's unlock the magic of interior design together. Cozy Corner Revival. Creating a warm retreat in any space. Dive into the world of creating cozy corners that beckon you to unwind. Discover color palettes, textures, and furniture arrangements that evoke comfort. Smart Space Solutions. Maximizing functionality in small areas. Small space, no problem. Explore ingenious design ideas to maximize functionality without sacrificing style. Your compact space can be both chic and efficient. Nature-inspired bliss. Infusing greenery into your home design. Bring the outdoor in, explore the beauty of biophilic design, incorporating plants and natural elements to create a calming and refreshing ambience. Bold bohemian vibes. A playful mix of colors and textures. Unleash your free spirit, dive into the world of bohemian design, where vibrant colors, eclectic patterns, and unconventional decor collide in harmonious chaos. Timeless elegance. Embracing classic design elements with a modern twist. Explore the allure of timeless design. Discover how to incorporate classic elements into a modern setting, creating a space that exudes elegance and sophistication. Retro Revival. Nostalgic design elements for a blast from the past. Step back in time with a modern twist. Explore how to infuse retro charm into your space, combining vintage finds with contemporary aesthetic. Monochrome magic. The power of black and white schemes. Embrace the simplicity of monochrome, discover the elegance and versatility of black and white design, from bold statements to minimalistic. Mixing metals, a guide to creating stunning metallic harmony. Unleash the brilliance of mixed metals, learn how to combine gold, silver and copper accents to achieve a harmonious and visually striking interior. Artistic expression. Using wall murals to transform your space. Elevate your walls to gallery status. Explore the world of wall murals and discover how to turn your space into a captivating masterpiece with bold artistic expressions. Remember, your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. Get ready to be inspired and let's embark on this design adventure together. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button and let's redefine your space together. Thanks for watching.